Hello, my name is Xixi Jin. In this video, I'm going to talk about what I have learned about this information system management module and identify questions that I have for my future study. Before I start, I want to introduce myself briefly. I'm an e-business postgraduate studying in Newcastle University, and I also studied e-commerce as my bachelor's degree. Honestly, I'm so amazed by the way Professor Lee taught us in the class. Mobile utilization is allowed and even encouraged in this class, which is a novel way for us, for me and for other classmates, since we are all getting used to the traditional way that focusing us on listening and leaving phones away during class. We can use our phones to make responses to every questions that Professor Lee asked and sharing our answers. Professor Lee also provided us a very interactive platform to discuss about definitions, stories, and we can even start a debate with each other, which inspire classmates to think things in different perspectives rather than just concentrating on individuals. All of us were involved in this module positively. I really appreciate this. At the beginning of this module, Professor Lee gave us two terms, which is productivity and innovation, and he asked us to give our own definitions. There is a key question related with productivity and innovation, which is, can information system used in organizations to enhance productivity and innovation, and how? Productivity means that the ability to respond to challenges in real time and take actions to save costs to make more values. In innovation, it does not have to be creating something new. It can be using existing technology in a new way or adding new values to it. With the development of information system, the main function of IT is no longer about dealing with orders. Instead, it is more about how to solve problems about disorders in the society and to enable organization and community more productive and innovative. There are 5 steps provided by Professor Lee to answer these questions. Step 1. Focus on what you want to change. Step 2. Identify what needs to be improved in the organization. Step 3. If you want to improve, what knowledge do you need to have? Step 4. What can we leverage to improve the system? Step 5. How do you measure success? Moving on, we discussed about social commerce. Social commerce is online transactions on products and services which connect customers by social media such as LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Social commerce is highly dependent on social platforms and users' contributions. If those platforms based on people relationship are trustworthy, online buying and selling will be much more efficient than before, but the matter is the way how organizations take advantage of social commerce and innovated it. We also learned about mobile business. Mobile business is taking over a bigger market than ever since it brings so many advantages, such as it helps workers to work no matter where they are and what they are doing, and the fast internet such as 4G internet can help people gathering data and information efficiently. And for organizations, it means they can work 24 hours a day and 7 days a week for customers and make responses to customers in real time. However, mobile business sometimes would also bring many problems like interrupting employees' working life and private life, and it may also lead to the out of control of employees. Additionally, we discussed about quantified self, which is about knowing ourselves. Professor Lee mentioned that a good technology is a technology that can help you understand yourself better and improve your own knowledge. Organizations is consisted of individuals, so at the same time with thinking about the common goal of the organization, developing ourselves in a better way is the foundation of the organizations. Finally, from this module, I learned a really important way of finding solutions and practice it within 4 stages, which is identify challenges, find out why challenges existed, and how challenges solved and get a happy ending. That's all. Thank you.